And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the latest HGP Bandai coming from the Iron-Blooded Orphans line. We have the HG1 over 144 Gundam Barbatos Adapt. And yes, and as you can see in the box art, typically not a P-Bandai style, but instead of the other styles, we have like an anime-like cover. Is because the Gundam Barbatos Adapt is from a short film released in I forgot when, but it just shows the Gundam Barbatos Adapt against two mechas or two suits. So sorry, spoiler alerts. So that's what we can see in the box art, and off to the side we just see this one, Gundam Barbatos Adapt, and here it is as a kit. And the Barbatos Adapt, and yes, Gundam Barbatos Adapt. So typically, like how a P-Bandai packaging is, but instead of monocolor, it shows a animal style cover. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have one bag with three screws. Another bag with three more screws here. I am seeing new parts. And last bag has two screws and a sticker sheet. And of course, we have the instruction manual here. Whereas you can see, still Mika who is piloting the Gundam Barbatos, but this is like another form, so Gundam Barbatos Adapt. I think this is somewhere between before it goes to the second season, I think. Because yeah, I can still see the broken antenna here from the last fight. And yep, here it is on the back. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Right, first up is we have is the A1 screw. This is typically the iron frame, or rather the Gundam frame itself. We have the A2 here, some parts of the new Gundam frame, and some weapons as you can see. B1 is a multicolored sprue, so new armor parts, rather new parts instead. We also have B2, yeah, more new parts here. We have C1, this is typically still new, not the same armor. We have a C2 here, all white, again, very new. X1 here is really fairly new with more of that Gundam frame that would replace from the A1. Same with this one here for the X2 with the weapons here and also new Gundam frames there. And we also have, as you notice, is a very really small stick sheet. And there you have it again, the fun set, folks. That was what's inside the box of this P-Bandai exclusive 1/144 Gundam Barbatos Adapt from the Iron-Blooded Orphans. Yes, so again, this mobile suit appeared in a short film, which I think happened in between the end of Season 1 and the start of Season 2, because as you can see in the parts earlier and even in the box art as well as in the, what do you call that, instruction manual, there are still some parts of Barbatos still damaged after his fight with the Grey's Ains. Anyways, this is Mixor saying if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.